everyone? Welcome back to part 5 in How to Build Your Own Website series, brought to you by DWTUT. I know I said in the last video that we're going to be working with some CSS possibly in this video, but I left something out. Forgot to be able to show you guys how to build a background image to your website. So we're going to get that done in this tutorial right now, so we don't have to go back when we're in tutorial like 6 or 7 and get it done and do it, so we're not screwing up anything with our website. Also, right now I am uploading DWTT version 2 here. I'm deleting everything and re-uploading all the version 2, all processed, everything up there, so it's going to be live here in a few hours. And so now let's get started. We're going to be using Photoshop again. Alright, now if you can remember our header here, if we get our info here, header is going to be 728 by 90, and our footer is the same exact size. So our width is going to be 728. So the reason why I need that, you'll actually see in a second. But we're going to create a background, a simple background that looks like the whole website is a page, like literally a page. So we're going to hit Command New, Control New if you're on a Mac. Name this background. Got it. Background, okay? And we're going to create one that is the width of 1,000. The reason why we are doing 1,000 is because there will be a little bit left over. Like the web page isn't going to be 1,000 pixels long, it's going to be longer. But we're going to fill in that color with another background color. It sounds complicated, but we'll get to it. I'll show you. But our width is going to be 1,000, and our height I'm going to set at 50. Alright, so this is going to be really long and really skinny. We're going to hit OK. Alright, built the document for us. Okay. Now you won't be needing to unlock or delete the lock. It's just simple. But first of all, we're going to create a new document. Command New again. And this is going to be background part 1. Alright. We're going to have the width to the width of our header and our footer, which is 728 pixels. We're going to keep the width, or the height, sorry, keep the height. Okay. Again, we're going to just Control-Shift-Save this. Well, actually, what I'm going to do is first come back to our original background document, grab our paint bucket, select a color, and again, I'm going to open up my text edit, open recent colors. Alright, you know I kept this colors document, text document, so we remember all of our colors. I'm just going to grab this, Command Copy, Command V. Alright, now I want this to be a darker color, and I actually have this darker color selected here. Wrote it down, Command Copy, Command V. Alright, the reason why I want this to be a darker color, since it's going to be our background, if we have it the same color as our logo, our default blue, our logo will kind of blend in with it and it won't look very good. So I'm going to keep it there. Just going to paint that. Alright, so now that it's all painted, we're going to come into the background part 1, and we are going to first of all, there's 2 ways to do this. You could draw a square, but I think the easiest way is to make up a new document. You can color this any way you want. I'm just going to keep mine white though, because this is going to be the background where all my content is stored on my background. So it looks like the content is on literally a page, like I was explaining to you before. So you can have whatever color this you want, but I'm going to keep mine white. So I'm going to hit Command Shift Save. Save that as a PNG. This is all you need on my desktop. Okay. Yep. And close it. Now we have this. Now come back, grab my background part here, drag it again over here into Photoshop. I'm going to just drop it there. Notice that my width and my height is at 100%. If yours is ever at 50, just knock that up to 100%. Okay, I'm going to hit enter, which applies it there. Now, as you can see what I'm saying here, like imagine your header and your logo and everything right here on this white spot. Okay, not the blue spot. The blue spot will be off page, but the white spot, all your content will go right there, so it looks like it's on a white spot, so it looks like your page is on a blue sheet. We're gonna center this, so grab your pointer tool, Command A or Control A. Again, make sure it's all centered, Command D. Alright, now we're gonna apply some styles to it. We want to kind of apply a style so that it looks like it's kind of popping out at the edges. And I'm going to do that with a drop shadow because that is the most efficient way. Now we're going to be playing around with this. I'm going to keep it at 90. Actually, I'm going to put it at 90. Now you can see this little preview box. We're going to use that. We're going to have the spread so it comes out a little bit. Knock the opacity up to 100. And then add the size out so it comes out way out. Now if you notice on my document that it really is coming out when I adjust that size there. I'm going to keep it just about right there. Knock it down this. Gonna up it. Right. That should be good. I'm going to keep it at 75. Alright, let's see how that looks. That looks pretty dang good. So now it looks like kind of the page is coming off the blue spot here. So it looks more of a 3D effect. You can always come back in here and adjust the drop shadow. Possibly put down the spread 20. And this size down to 70. Alright, so there is our background. And I'm very happy with this background. I'm going to keep it. So Command S saves it as a PSD on my desktop. Yep. Again, Control Shift save, and we're going to save this as background, but not as a PSD, as a PNG. Save. Okay. Quit Photoshop here. Close you. Quit you. All right. So you can get rid of this background part because we won't be needing this ever again. Alright, so we have two files, background.psd and background.png. I'm going to open up my background.png. So that's what the final product is going to look like. Now, we're going to be using this as our background when we put together our website in part 5. So keep it handy, or maybe create a few, figure out what one you like best. So yeah, that's pretty much easy. I just wanted to throw that in as a part 5, part 5 here. I believe this is part 5. Yep, this is part 5. But yeah, I just wanted to throw this as part 5 because we kind of skipped it over when we were building our footer and header. So I just threw it in there. So thank you guys. Check out the new website that's going to be uploaded and keep on watching my tutorials.